Hello friends, in the Kashmiri language there are ways by way of which you can make your speech sound very powerful. One of the ways is to use specific words in specific situations. Let's take an example. Generally, for greetings in the morning, we say namaskar. So if you are using namaskar in the morning, it means good morning. Nevertheless, in case you want to make your greetings in the morning more powerful or more respectful to an elder in your family, you would say Namaskar Mahara. Namaskar Mahara. And in the same way, if you have to make it even more powerful, for example, you are wishing good morning to your teacher in the school, you would say Namaskar Mahara Masterji. Namaskar Mahara Masterji. That was it in today's lesson. We will see you again in the next lesson. Until then, do subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.